Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the retaining bar end cap on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. You can leave your tools in the box. Let me show you how we do it. To replace the shelf rail end cap, we'll start by opening the refrigerator door. And we'll remove any of the items that are on that lower shelf. And then while grasping both ends of that shelf rail, we're just going to lift straight up and pull it out of the slots on the inner door lining. And we'll just push the old end cap out of the rail and discard it. We'll slide the new one in with the ribs facing the rail. Snap it into place. Line it up with the slots in the inner door panel, and then by pressing on both ends and not the middle, we'll push it down into position until it locks in place, and our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.